Hey guys, Maple Man from Mike here. Just another unboxing from um, recommendation from TTWT over in Illinois in the States. It's called IsoTunes. He's been using them for quite a while now, and I like what he's been saying about them, and decided to get myself a set. And I thought I'd give them a try, and I'll do an unboxing now, and we'll do a follow-up video later on just to tell you my input, how I found them, and what I think of them. Alright, just one sec. Okay, so here's the headphones I got. It's the IsoTunes Extra. Now, supposedly it has 8 hours of playtime compared to, I think it's 4 hours with the other one. So it's double the battery life and double the bypass time as well. So I'll just get this opened up here. Jeez, never even noticed that. Set it up, even comes with a little handy carry case. And that's in there. Now these are sound cancelling headphones, so if you work in a loud factory, or if you're out on the farm working with tractors or whatever all the time, these will be ideal. You can listen to your music, you can also have full conversations on the phone, and still be able to talk to people while the machines are making all the noise. Okay, so yeah, nicely presented. There we go. So they're fully magnetic, so if you stick the magnets together or pull them apart, they'll either pause or play music, or answer or hang up the phone. That's it there. IsoTunes. There's the controls. There's the headphones. Now these are the similar foam that would be used for your standard earplug. Squish them down. It's supposed to be heat activated as well, so that's that. Comes with 6 pairs, different sizes. So you get the little dome ones, and then you also get other foam ones as well. You don't throw away. Here's support information. Here's the little bag. Feels heavy, so there must be something in it. Yep. Full hemp. Here's a manual how to set them in, how to use all the different buttons. And USB cable for charging. So that's it. The background noise you're hearing is my little fella. Probably get him in some videos when he's a bit older. He's still a bit oblivious to everything. So look out for the follow-up video, and I'll let you know how this goes. Alright, take care. Bye.